You know Cell Rack Shawty gonna save y'all some coins. Y'all think y'all was gonna walk away, click on another video on this side or that side, and think I wasn't gonna give y'all a discount code? Oh, girl! Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Taylor Roche, back at it again with an entirely new video. I know I was gone for like 2 weeks, but about that, I had surgery last week, last week. I ain't gonna say a couple of days ago. I had surgery recently and I had like a slew of new ideas I wanted to film and everything, and then the surgery just kind of came at a very inconvenient time. So I apologize for not posting as much as I said I was or anything, but if you want to keep up with me and my surgery journey, you can follow me on Instagram, right, can I see? Yeah, right here. You can follow me on Instagram to keep up with all the things that I'm going through with my surgery and why I actually needed surgery in the beginning. So yeah, check that out. I've been trying to find a product that gives me the ultimate whitening experience when it comes to my teeth. I am very OCD when it comes to my teeth. I have braces for seemed like 20 years. I have tried numerous things as far as powders. I've tried baking soda, I've tried toothpaste, and even the little clip thing that you put in your teeth in the light. I've tried all of that stuff and it seemed to not even work. So Bianca Smile reached out to me and was like, hey girl, hey, we got something for you. We got something for you. We got something for you. And I was like, carry on. No, I didn't hear this from the guy next to me, but I was hearing that you needed something for your teeth. Is that right? It is the, oh god, I don't even have it up right. The activated charcoal whitening powder. It comes in a little cute box. It has very easy instructions on each side of the box. So the first one is going to be to dip your brush. It actually says like dip your brush. So dip your brush, scrub them, and then you have white teeth. So we're going to test this out because I've been seeing these types of charcoal whitening powder products over like the internet, whether it's an ad on Facebook or just someone through various experience, and I'm very curious to try it. So this actually came at a very perfect time, and I'm going on vacation in a couple of days, so I definitely need something to bring the ultimate whitening smile when it comes to these not so pearly whites. It's pretty cute, very compact, something that you can put into your travel bag or anything. I'm really actually nervous to try this because I've never really used powder in my mouth before. So I don't know if it's like gonna taste powdery or what. So let's try. Oh, okay. So it already comes with the powder inside. I don't wanna like tilt it over even more, but as you can see, it has the powder in there already. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be like a translucent powder where it had like the little sticker thing in there, and then you have to like take it off and then you have to like shake it. I don't know. Like I said on the box, it said for the first step is to dip your brush. So I have my wet toothbrush right here. Can you see it? Yep, got my wet toothbrush right here. Dip it in. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna start. Let me put this up. So as instructed, I do what the box says, and that's to scrub it up my teeth. I try to get every single corner, every single crevice of my teeth, so that way it's fully covered with the powder. As soon as I am done brushing my teeth, and I'm making sure I have every little bit, I set my timer on my phone to 2 minutes. Do whatever, waste that time, and then once the 2 minutes is up, go back to my bathroom and rinse it out. So overall, what I thought of the product, at first I was really scared because, you know, every teeth whitening product promises fresh white teeth that's all natural and everything. And the other part that really scared me about it was the grittiness of it, because me feeling grit against my teeth, it's like how some people are like weird about polka dots or like holes and stuff, like grit on my teeth. Boy, no. But this product surprisingly was not as bad as I thought it would be. I think it was all mental. As far as the actual product goes, I mean, I'm looking at my mirror and it looks whiter. It looks like a half a shade whiter, so I'm really satisfied with that. I feel like if I use it for like a week or 2 weeks, do like a continuous plan with it, that eventually it'll get to the results that I want. And not only will I have my results, I will do it in the all natural way. So Bianca Smile, thank you so much for reaching out to me, for everything that you have done for me to have this product and review it on my channel. If you are interested in the Bianca Smile charcoal whitening experience, you can definitely look into my description underneath this video and order it for yourself. Use the code, oh snap, what's the code? Taylor_15 for 15% off of your purchase. You know, thank you so much for watching. I love you like my grandma's yams. I mean, out of 5,000. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.